So I have the girls sitting in the back, and they're egging me on, trying to get me to go race. All I'm trying to do is figure out how the sequential thingy works. So then I decided, alright, hold on, let's go. Now I haven't raced this since the twin turbo install, so I'm a little bit nervous. And here's this hot little two-seater, and this guy's egging me on to race. So I'm like, alright, let's go. Needless to say, I couldn't be more pleased. So we decide to loop around and do a round 2. The next available race was with an old school V-dub, so we figured we'd give him a little bit of a head start and see what it would take to catch up. As you can hear by the sound of the engine, we really didn't push it that hard because we're still in the break-in period. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to like and subscribe.